Join me today for another adventure in Wisconsin's north central woods. How many will we find? Of course, out on the trail. A couple right on the trail. And one nice, couple more pointy guys. Look at this beauty. And this one. This guy. Oh, we're gonna do another once over. This place is hopping. Don't forget to look on the edge of the trail when you're picking. Inside by the tree, sure, but people forget. It's a gorgeous one. It's a big. With that basket, come on. So here's a likely dead elm. I walked around, didn't see anything. Used my stick and all that garlic mustard, nothing. Hiking out, and my eyes caught the pattern. Do you see it? Do you see the pattern? And it was just very small to see, and my eyes caught it. And then revealed a delightful gray mushroom. And I'm going to take some stills because he is a perfect one. Well, there's one, there's more. So I'm going to be looking around in here much more carefully for more of these. One. Then, of course, I found another. And you know what this is, don't you? My favorite. That is my favorite of all time. What do we call this, y'all? Be a granny. All bent over like me. But I'm still finding them, aren't I? This here is wood nettle. The leaves are more rounded than your basic stinging nettle, and ooh, it packs a powerful sting. Also a nutritious hot herb when boiled. Definitely have to harvest wearing gloves. It will burn you. $37 total. A nice mess.